Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In fact, I'm making this video for one of my colleague, my very dear friend, brother Naif. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can convert your whole references from one format to the other. Normally, what happens when we keep on citing different articles in our research, we keep on, making a bibliography or reference list. But in some cases, when we don't create references list from the very start, then we can also convert it from one format to the other at the end. It's not a big problem. And one thing, when we are converting APA to Harvard style, then we need to write the word bibliography, not references. Okay, I have what you need to do. You need to copy all the references. Like I have copied all the set of references, these, and I have pasted them into another file. Now what I'm going to do, I need to go to the Google, and after here you can see a button which is Google Scholar. You can simply download it from Google Scholar extension for Chrome. You will open this link, and then what you need to do, you just need to add this button. Here it's saying remove from Chrome because I have already added it and it is showing here. But when you have not added it, it will say add to the Chrome, so it will appear here. So what you need to do next, open this link and then copy your reference, which is like any reference you can say, like Ali R and Ahmed. I'm just copying it. It is in APA format, remember. And after copying it, what I need to do, I'm reopening it for you. I will reopen the link. I will just paste Control V and then enter. Here you can see a cite button. So you need to cite it in any format you like Harvard. You will click here once. You can see Harvard and APA. There is not much difference. There is difference of these parentheses and this and this and you can see this and here. Okay, so it's not a big difference, but we need to follow it religiously. We will copy it, Control V, and then we will paste it at the same place and then enter, so that we can differentiate between the two. So this is in Harvard style, but before it was in APA. You can do it with any reference. Okay, let's suppose we are doing with this Aral E, the failure of water utilities privatization. Okay, go back there. Again we open this button. Okay, when it will open, just paste it here and then cite and Harvard style. When you will click it, then you will press Ctrl C, copy, and then you just need to move to the previous file and paste it and then enter. So these two references are in Harvard style now. So when you will convert all your references, maybe 100 references will take almost half hour or less. Then you can convert them into Times New Roman, and its font style should be 12, and then it's okay. Okay, so this is a short video. In my opinion, this is a shortcut method when you have not compiled your references list from the very start. So if you have all the references together, then you can convert them one by one. At present, in my knowledge, there is no method to convert all the references together. It can happen in APA format, but as far as Harvard is concerned, this is not in my knowledge that we can convert all the references together in Harvard style. We will have to do it one by one, but rest assured, it's not gonna take more time. So this is a short video for converting APA style to Harvard style. So I hope this will help you. So thank you so much. That's all for today. Thank you.